I mean, I think very, very well prepared. I've only just assumed command of the battalion while they've been on leave en route from Hong Kong to Ulster, and haven't served with them, of course, for a year. But their training and work in Hong Kong, which was internal security duties in the colony, patrolling the border, that kind of thing, prepares them very well for the kind of situation which they're going to meet or may meet in Ulster.
Do you know what duties they're going to partake in Ireland?
We shall be on general garrison internal security duties in Londonderry, which will involve duty both in the city and in the country and on the border.
How do you fancy your chances out there in Ireland? Do you look forward to it? Are you scared?
Well, it's a job of work, the way we look at it. It's the quickest finishes, the better, we reckon. But if you say no, we still got to go, you know. It's a job of work, like.
Thing is, if we don't go, someone else has got to go anyway, so we just will go and see what we can do. We've done our job ready for it, so it won't come as a surprise to us. We know a bit about it.